Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Sicotte S3H-7 vertical boring machine. The table on this machine measures 30 inches deep by 84 inches wide. You do have a 7-inch stroke on this machine. Remember, that is stroke, not capacity. Obviously, there's no tooling, so right now you have a little over 7 inches from your tabletop to the bottom of your chucks. You do have a total of 5 heads. Those are 3 horsepower each. They are multi-voltage from 200, 230, 460, 575, 600. So they are multi-voltage. They're currently wired for 230 volt, 3-phase operation. You do have 8 arms, and you have 1 spring-loaded hold down. To set your depth or your stroke, you're going to adjust it right here. It does go up to 9 inches on this machine right now. We are currently seeing about 7 inches. You can adjust your feed rate, of course. This machine does have a hydraulic pump. Of course, here are your controls. Your start button is going to be the same as your foot pedal. Obviously, we only have 5 drills, so only the first 5 are hooked up. We're going to turn that hydraulic motor on. I am going to put it in auto, continuous. You can also do single. So right now, if we come in and hit the foot pedal, it'll cycle once. You also have manual. Obviously, manual is better for setup. If we come around back, this machine does have its rear doors still. This is your hydraulic reservoir. And your hydraulic pump is located right here. That is a 3 horsepower hydraulic pump. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.